what you say.
This is for fulfilling your part of the job. And I promise I'll give you more food if you continue working with me.
Hey, Grandpa. You have no idea whose life you saved, though. God bless you. Look, I was so hungry. Let me just go and start.
Where are you taking it? Come on. Look, you know you can't sit there and eat. What if someone sees you? They will all say, I gave all the food to you.
Lele,
Look, remember, nobody must know that I give you all this food just for you to help me to make the life of that foolish Aku miserable in this house. Cindy, what can I do for you?
Grandpa, I hope you're not bribing Na into your plans against Auntie Aku.
What plans? I don't have plans against anybody, much more Aku.
Grandpa,